Today's topic, which I want to share my point of view, is mother is really important in our life. So I try my best to explain what I thought on this topic. So yes, mother is really important in our life because she is the only one who cares, who show lots of cares in front of his in front of our children's, and that type of cares and that type of love no others uh, give us. So the mother one who cares, love, and teach her children's, like a teacher also, and like a motivator. She always tells her children ki, do this work, do that work, it's good for you, and eat this thing and all. So somewhere she is also our doctor, she is also our motivational, she is our teacher. So yes, mother is all rounder. And the other side is also, they mothers know all the thing. If they care her family members, her family, and do this all thing, and there is no salary giving process, and they know if this all thing is selfless care to provide her children, her parents, her family members, her husband and all. Then also uh, s- then also uh, uh, then also she do very well, and she give them a very comfort life from morning to till night. Even their children and family members, even that till they are not sleep in night, till morning to night, they always care her family members. And the other side is also, is this, we always we always um, so care in front of we always so care. Other thing is also is this, now time childrens are forget to spend their time with their parents, especially mother, because they are all use a lots of mobile phone nowadays, and they are just go outside with their family, sorry, with their friends and all. So same process is also from the from the children's side. Responsibility is also, we have to give our mother respect, we have to give our mother care, and we show in front of her how much we love also, because sometimes we can't express those feelings, and we tell anything, we tell anything our mother, because she is always love with us, and we are not care about this thing and all. So yes, mother is really important in our life, in our day-to-day life, in our, like, God give us a very precious gift is mother only. So yes, mother is really. And conclusion is this, we are all respect our mothers. In it doesn't matter, it's only our mother we respect our other mothers also, because all are very precious role in our life, like, even they are husband, or even they are children's, even they are elder one also. So yes, conclusion is this only. I think I explained my point of view, it's correct. Thank you.